Hello there, it's suddenly October, so that means we've only got 2 months left before it's time to open the first door of an advent calendar, chocolate or beauty related, whatever your preference, both if you're anything like me. As frightening as the pace of this year has been, it is bringing us closer to the most wonderful time of the year. You know the festive season is always full of fun treats for beauty lovers, so today I'm starting my holiday countdown with Typology. It's a pleasure to partner with this French skincare meets makeup minimal brand again to introduce you to their 2025 advent calendar and give you a peek inside every box. Spoilers ahead, but I figure it's helpful to know exactly what you get in it, from bestsellers to new launches and many of my personal favourites from the brand, plus a very handy gift with purchase to make holiday packing easier. Typology's skincare first approach and minimal, no makeup style is a perfect fit with my approach to beauty, so their support of my channel this year and wanting to work with me again really means a lot. I've loved hearing from so many of you who've tried their products after one of my videos. Please let me know what you've tested or if they're still on your radar or wish list. If this is your first time meeting Typology, bonjour, come on in. Very happy to help introduce you to this vegan, cruelty-free brand made in France. Skincare is at the heart of what they do, but they also bring skincare benefits to their hybrid, no makeup tinted products I'm a big fan of as well. And I'm just a fan of their aesthetic in general. The recycled glass bottles make your bathroom cabinet and makeup bag feel very chic. And speaking of chic and minimal, all advent calendar orders receive a free Typology tote bag and travel pouch made from lightweight recycled cotton with zips to keep your travel makeup and skincare safe. I'm actually heading off on a short tropical trip this month, so keep your eyes peeled for more travel packing content soon. This pouch is definitely coming with me. With 24 treats in the calendar for face, eyes, hair, lips, and body, it's a perfect way to get to know the brand, reward yourself for getting to the end of a busy year, refresh your skincare routine as a new year approaches, start your own minimal tinted care collection or refresh your makeup look, keep some minis tucked away for travel over the holidays, share the love with the biggest beauty lover in your life, or literally share amongst friends and go in for a calendar as a group gift, splitting up products over a dinner party or a French-themed Friendsmas brunch with pastries and bonus beauty gifts. I should host that at my place. You're all invited. 15 of the products inside are full size and the calendar's total contents are valued at over $600 US, but the price is $279.90. This video goes live just after the calendar launches on Typology's website, which ships internationally from the global site. We love to see it, but these calendars do have a history of selling out quickly, so if you're interested, you might need to watch this on 1.5 speed and head on over there. Let's take a look at what you'll find inside and spotlight some of my favorites. Starting with number 2, what do we have here? Oh, jackpot, mini version of one of my favorite Typology skincare creations, the 9-ingredient face moisturizer. As you can see from the tube I prepared earlier, I'm a big fan of using this in the morning. Very happy to have a mini for travel now. I feel like this formula perfectly sums up that famous French minimal moisturizer approach. So simple yet effective, nourishes skin and preps it for makeup. This is fragrance-free, suitable for sensitive skin, and only contains 9 ingredients, including hyaluronic acid, organic coconut oil, and naturally derived glycerin. Light texture, not sticky or greasy, but my face still feels hydrated and calm, and the satin finish looks great under makeup. Okay, moving on. What about box 4? Oh, hello hydrating serum. Another adorable baby with a baby dropper too. It's a Honey I Shrunk the Serum situation. This is such a cute travel mini and you can refill it too. My full-size hydrating serum has been a big help this winter in Australia with 2 of my favourite ingredients, hyaluronic acid and particularly provitamin B5, to keep my skin feeling plump and smooth. The texture is thin and watery, definitely that drink of water for your skin, refreshing feel, and it sinks in quickly. To make sure there weren't any colour matching hurdles, the Typology tinted serum I love and their tinted concealer formulas don't appear in the calendar, but some great universal members of the base family do. Day 19, there's a full-size colour corrector for redness. Really underrated tool in a no makeup lineup if you experience redness like I do or want to help conceal the appearance of really red spots before you actually conceal them. This fluid, made with niacinamide and green seaweed extract, is so thin you can work it right into your skin and it disappears like you don't have anything on, but that redness disappears too. Oh, I don't know about you, but I'm feeling box 22 perfect for party season. Full-size glow drops, thank you very much. A pearlescent fluid you can use in a minimal, healthy glow way or dial up the drama. Made with vitamin C and aloe vera, this is a multitasker. Add a few drops to your moisturizer, mix it in with base makeup. Apply under your eyes instead of or before concealer to brighten, or pinpoint as a highlighter. Just add a red lip and you're ready to go. For fluttery festive lashes, head to box 16 for Serum Mascara. As a minimal mascara convert in the past couple of years, I've left my only wearing dramatic volume days behind and now love Barely There. My lashes just look this long anyway formulas. This is a perfect example of that, as it's actually more of a lash serum made with pea peptides, castor oil and plant fibres to strengthen and lengthen lashes gradually with a touch of colour and definition in the meantime. A delicate, no mascara kind of look. Christmas has come early for lip oil lovers on day 20 and 23 to be exact. This tinted lip oil contains vitamin E, squalane and jojoba oil, so it's nourishing, but it has a thin, light texture. Not slippy, sticky or gloopy, just very shiny and glassy with two popular full-size tints here. Coral Orange is a fun, vibrant, red-orange coral. If you're looking for a summer shade that's not scary bright, just a kiss of sheer popsicle bright, here you go. I always like working all of these tints in with my fingertips so they look more like a lived-in stain. Then Black Cherry is its even glossier sister, like cola-coloured glass on the lips. A warm hint of vampy brown to add some glow and shine over a deep red lipstick over the holidays. That'd be quite a dynamic duo. Did they save the best till last? I think tinted balm lovers might think so. A full-sized replenishing tinted balm in Rosewood Pink finishes off the countdown in box 24. Grabbing my existing Rosewood Pink, this is made with hyaluronic acid, ceramides and plant-based oils for a smooth, lightly hydrating feel and a pretty sheer rose brown tint. My favourite colour from the balm family, and you can smudge it on your cheeks too, even better. I will give you a quick rundown of the rest of the contents now. If you want to skip spoilers, completely understand. I love a surprise unboxing too. We have 7-ingredient micellar water to take off your fluttery mascara, a serum for dark circles and eye bags after too many late night December deadlines or celebrations, purifying moisturiser for oily skin types to prevent blemishes and reduce shine, organic peppermint hydrolate applied like a toner to cleanse and tighten pores, targeted blemish serum if a matching chocolate advent calendar has made your skin panic, 9-ingredient soothing serum to help reduce redness and soothe, as the name suggests, radiance serum to get you glowing with 11% vitamin C, restorative hair serum, that's a new launch to hydrate and tame frizz, mark fading serum, reducing the appearance of shallow scarring after spots have healed, repairing lip mask, my new favourite discovery in the calendar, instantly smooths and softens dry lips, lipid enriched cleansing bar for a very gentle face and body cleanse, radiance mask for more refined, luminous skin in a flash, even complexion serum to soothe redness and prevent any party season blemishes, lash and brow serum with a spoolie applicator to brush through with ease, eye cream for dark circles and eye bags to pair with the earlier serum, and finally firming botanical blend night serum to soften fine lines and wrinkles. Oh, we made it. Lots of unboxing there. Merci Typology. I hope you enjoyed learning more about some of my favourite formulas and that overview of just some of their skincare range. It is so extensive. Quickly recapping key calendar details for you, over $600 value for $279.90, and all advent calendar orders ship with the free tote bag and travel pouch to help you pack for the holidays. I'd love to hear what your holiday plans are looking like this year. Do you head away to visit family or friends? Do you use the time to reflect and recharge? Do you pack it with lots of holiday parties? Let me know what you're looking forward to and what sort of beauty gifts are on your wish list. Thanks for watching. See you next time.